Hi, I'm Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba 9004 LTE gateway. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content. 9004 is the entry-level branch gateway from the Aruba 9000 series gateways. Let's see what's in the box. Here, you have your startup guide and safety compliance and warranty information. Here is the power adapter. Note that you will need to order a country-specific power cord separately. These are your two LTE antennas. Underneath the unit, you'll find a micro USB console cable, power adapter cable saddle, and a SIM tray ejector pin. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at the unit itself. On the front here, you have your LED indicators. On the back is your power adapter socket, recessed reset button, 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, the traditional RJ45 console port, as well as a micro USB port. Here is the USB-A port, SIM tray, and the Kensington security slot. On the side is your main LTE antenna connector. On the other side is the cable saddle slot, as well as diversity, LTE, and a GPS antenna connector. Please note that only 2 antennas are included in the box. You can order additional indoor or outdoor antennas and antenna extension kits. You can also use the LTE antenna as a GPS antenna. On the bottom, you will find your serial number and MAC address stickers. The unit comes with rubber legs pre-installed, ready for desktop deployment. Alternatively, you can use the keyhole-shaped slots on the bottom of the gateway to mount the device on the wall. You will need to install 2 number 6 pan head screws mounted 145 mils apart. You should also install the unit with the Ethernet ports facing down, like shown in this diagram. You can also mount this gateway onto a standard 19-inch rack, but you will need to order the rack mount tray separately. Lastly, let me show you how to install the cable saddle. Insert the cable saddle, then simply plug in the power and slip the cable into the cable saddle to keep it safe from accidentally disconnecting. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at phoenixpro.club. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!